Hi, I'm Andrew Descaitis of the Global Marketing Department here at Giant. Today we're standing on course at the Lenzerheide World Cup cross country race in Switzerland. The reason we're standing on this particular section, surrounded by roots, rocks, mud, even some rain, is to show the intensity of the race courses that these athletes are racing on these days. In order to meet and match that intensity, we're introducing the Anthem Advanced Pro 2.9. We're talking about 29er stability and speed. The new Anthem Advanced Pro 2.9 features updated geometry and 29-inch wheels to allow our World Cup level racers to ride over treacherous terrain at World Cup speeds. An updated 67.5-degree head tube angle, longer reach overall, and a 75.5-degree seat tube angle provide the stability our athletes requested when racing over World Cup level terrain. Superior control. With 100 millimeters of rear wheel travel, the Anthem Advanced Pro 2.9 provides the stability and control that athletes need when they're dropping into a chute just like this. With 110 millimeters of front fork travel and 67.5-degree head tube angle, this bike provides the stability that riders need when they're riding seriously rooty rocks, mud, just like this. Ultra efficient. The all-new Anthem Advanced Pro 2.9 saves over 250 grams off the previous generation thanks to its full composite front triangle, rear triangle, and use of FlexPoint Pro rear suspension. The all-new FlexPoint Pro rear suspension found on the Anthem Advanced Pro 2.9 features 100 millimeters of rear wheel travel using a single pivot design. This saves significant weight over a multi-linkage design from previous generation and allows the bike to travel over rough, rooty terrain with the greatest of ease. It's extremely efficient and it provides just the right amount of suspension when riding over XC terrain.